Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix Instagram Reels lag. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in my main page or on my feed on Instagram, and I won't be able to show you guys the actual problem because I'm not having any lag on Instagram. However, I do have some fixes. Now, the most obvious ones which you can try are just simply going over into your account, going into the menu in the top right, click by clicking on the three horizontal bars, then scroll down until you get to your app and media. Then you want to go into data usage and media quality, and if you're having lag, your data saver mode might be on. So for example, when data saver is turned on, as you can see, videos won't load in advance, which will help you use less data. However, then you'll have to wait for the reels and videos to load once you actually scroll to them, and they won't be loaded prematurely. Other than that, of course, if you're having lag, you need to make sure that your network quality is of a good enough standard, that your network doesn't have any problems, that the download speed is good enough or up to par with your network subscription. You can see if it's a local problem on your device, or you can see if it's your router problem. You can try restarting the router if you're on Wi-Fi. If not, then you might need to call your ISP to see if they're having any problems and when they'll be fixed. Other than that, you can just troubleshoot your network however else you would be able to. You can also go ahead and try to go into apps and settings, try to clear the cache or clear the data of Instagram, since that does sometimes cause corruption and that might lead to lag. If you clear the data, Instagram will pretty much revert to the state it was in before you first used it on your device. And if that doesn't work, you can always try restarting Instagram, which might also fix any potential problems. Keep in mind that if you revert back by clearing the data, you will need to log in again. But yeah, those are pretty much the main things that I can recommend to you. Other than that, Instagram does have a lot of problems sometimes. Sometimes I get reels that load up to halfway, up to a certain point, and don't want to load past them. Past that point, but other reels do want to load in perfectly, so I'm not really sure what the cause of the problem is, but that is pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.